If you work with numbers or formulas, you need FormulaZoo. FormulaZoo is software that turns math upside down. Instead of generating data from formulas, it generates formulas from your data. The formula generator is quick and easy to use. Simply select the number of data columns here. Enter your data on the grid. Enable the checkbox. And click the Start button. Use FormulaZoo to generate formulas in almost any industry: consumer marketing, healthcare research, environmental science, political science, and clean energy. FormulaZoo works in mathematics, engineering, statistics, chemistry, economics, education, accounting, investing, manufacturing, and much more. Did you ever work on a spreadsheet and have to fiddle with a formula to fit your data? FormulaZoo finds the formula for you. FormulaZoo helps you put the pieces of the puzzle together faster than ever. The powerful math engine discovers important properties of your data, saving you time and money. You just might be surprised how this new technology will become an essential tool. Try FormulaZoo with your data today.